Hello explorers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of planet Earth's most breathtaking natural wonders. Get ready to be mesmerized by the sheer beauty of Australia's Great Barrier Reef. Stretching over an incredible 2,300 kilometers along the coast of Queensland, this isn't just any reef, it's the world's largest coral reef system. Imagine a living structure so massive it can be seen from space. It's a complex, interconnected web of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands. Its size is truly staggering, comparable to the entire length of Italy. This colossal underwater city is a testament to the power and artistry of nature, built over thousands of years by tiny coral polyps. But it's what's beneath the surface that truly captures the heart. The Great Barrier Reef is a bustling metropolis of marine life. It's home to over 1,500 species of fish, painting the waters with every color imaginable. From the iconic clownfish darting among anemones to the majestic manta rays gliding effortlessly through the currents. The diversity is astounding. You might even spot one of 6 species of sea turtles that call this place home, or perhaps a gentle dugong grazing on seagrass. The reef itself is a vibrant garden of over 400 types of hard and soft corals, creating intricate structures that provide food and shelter for countless creatures. It's a living, breathing ecosystem, a kaleidoscope of life that dances in the sunlit waters. This extraordinary natural value was officially recognized in 1981 when the Great Barrier Reef was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This prestigious designation isn't just an award, it's a global acknowledgement of the reef's immense universal importance. It highlights its unparalleled biodiversity, its spectacular natural phenomena, and its critical role in the planet's marine health. Being a World Heritage Site means the world has pledged to protect it, recognizing it as a treasure that belongs to all of humanity. A legacy we must preserve for generations to come. However, this precious paradise is facing significant threats. The biggest challenges are climate change, which leads to rising sea temperatures and the resulting coral bleaching. When the water gets too warm, corals expel the algae living in their tissues, causing them to turn completely white. This doesn't just rob the reef of its color. It starves the coral and disrupts the entire ecosystem. Pollution from land runoff and damage from coastal development also add to the pressure. But there is hope. Numerous conservation efforts are underway. Scientists are pioneering coral restoration techniques, creating underwater nurseries to grow resilient corals. Organizations are working tirelessly to improve water quality, and global awareness campaigns are pushing for stronger climate action. Protecting the reef is a collective responsibility, and every small action counts towards its survival. Experiencing the Great Barrier Reef is a truly transformative adventure. Whether you're a seasoned scuba diver or a first-time snorkeler, there are countless ways to explore this underwater realm. You can take a boat trip from coastal cities like Cairns or Port Douglas and spend the day discovering vibrant coral gardens just below the surface. Diving deeper reveals a whole new world of hidden grottos, towering coral pinnacles, and encounters with larger marine life like reef sharks and giant groupers for those who prefer to stay dry. Glass-bottom boat tours and semi-submersibles offer a fantastic window into the reef's magic. It's an immersive experience that connects you directly with the raw beauty and fragility of our planet's oceans. The Great Barrier Reef is more than just a destination. It's a living wonder that reminds us of the incredible beauty our world holds and the urgent need to protect it. It's a place of awe, discovery, and profound connection to nature. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey. If you were inspired by the magic of the Great Barrier Reef, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep exploring.